Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashley and I am the creator and owner of Threaded South, which is a streetwear brand. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own streetwear logo. And the style I'm going to teach you is more of the handwritten script type of style. You can also see this in my brand's logo. So make sure you stick around to the end because I also have some goodies that I'll be giving away. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is create a new file, change the width to 10 inches and the height to 10 inches, and keep the color mode CMYK and 300 PPI. Now we're going to grab our text tool here and we're going to type out the word "the." Now we are going to change the font size to 67 and the font to Fabiana. Now go ahead and highlight the letter T, and we're going to change this font size to 87, and we're going to change the tracking to -190. Now we're going to type the word black and change the tracking to 0. Highlight the entire text and change the size to 210. And then highlight the letter B and change the character rotation to -6 and change the tracking to -120. Now highlight the rest of the letters and change the baseline shift to -10. And change the font size to 190. Now I'm just going to rearrange my words here so that the fits above the A and the C. Now I'm going to type out the word crow and highlight the letter C and change the size to 200. And the tracking to -75. And I'm going to change the rotation to 8 degrees. And I'm going to highlight the rest of the letters and change the baseline shift to 40 and the rotation to 0. And I will change the tracking to 0 as well. Now I'm just going to reposition the word crow. And now I'm using my pen tool here and I'm going to add this area to the letter C so that it flows better into the letter R. Now I'm going to highlight the word crow and I'm going to go select the word crow and I'm going to move it and adjust it so that it's underneath the word black. Now I'm going to type out the word clothing company. Well, clothing co. And I'm going to change the font to Galderglin and the size to 21. And I'm going to change the tracking to 412 and the baseline shift to 0. And then now I'm going to reposition my text so that it's underneath the letters ROW. Now I'm going to type out the letter L and I'm going to highlight it and select my eyedropper tool and select the letter B. Now from here, I'm going to move my letter over a bit and select Object expand, and click OK. I'm going to use this as a glyph. Since this particular font doesn't have any glyphs, I'm going to use it. I'm going to basically make my own. So I'm using my pen tool here, and I'm going to delete the top part and the bottom half of this letter L. So select both the L and this shape I just created and go to Window, Pathfinder, and select this second button to subtract away the top area, and I'm going to do the same to this bottom area as well. Select both and subtract. So now I'm going to take this here element I just created, and I'm going to place it over the ROW. So now I'm just adjusting it here so that it fits neatly across my letters. So now I am typing the letter Q. I'm going to do the exact same thing, object, expand, and I'm going to just delete away the top part. Now I'm going to take this design element and place it underneath the word the. I'm going to make it smaller and adjust it and rotate it a bit so that it fits nicely under the word. So now I'm going to select the entire logo and go up to Object, Transform, Shear. And I'm going to change the axis to vertical and the shear angle to -7 and click OK. And there you have your streetwear logo. Now, if you want to send this logo to the printer, make sure you outline the fonts first. But before you outline the fonts, you should spell check. And to spell check, go up to Edit, Spelling, Check Spelling. And then make sure everything is spelled correctly and click OK. And then highlight your entire logo and go up to Object, Expand and click OK. Keep an outline version and a non-outline version. Now, I know I told you earlier that I had some goodies to give away. Well, I actually do. I have 3 logo templates that you can download for free on my Gumroad Threaded South account. The link will be in the description. So if you like this video and you would like to see more, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already so that you will be notified of any new videos that I drop. Also, if you want to buy some merch, why not? Go ahead and head on over to threadedsouth.com. Thank you for watching.